Good morning, students. We are going to start the new chapter, that is the coastal plains. Lesson number 6, that is coastal plains. Look at the blackboard. Here is the map of India. Look at the map of India. India is blessed with a very long coastline. It begins from the Gulf of Kutch and ends at West Bengal. Starting from the Gulf of Kutch in the western coastal plain, it moves southwards along the borders of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. It touches Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. This part of the coastline is along the Arabian Sea between the Western Ghats and the coast. The land is plain and is known as the Western Coastal Plain. From Kanyakumari, the coast moves northwards and reaches up to West Bengal. This part of the coastline is along the Bay of Bengal. Between the Eastern Ghats and the coast, the land is plain and is known as the Eastern Coastal Plain. This total length of the coastline is 6,100 km. Such a long coastline is very useful for our country. Fishing is an important occupation of the people living on the coasts. Many seaports have been developed along the coast. This western coastal plain starts from Gujarat and ends at Kanyakumari. It lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It can be divided into three parts, that is Gujarat coast, Konkan coast and Malabar coast. Gujarat coast lies in the northern part. It lies between Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambat. Konkan coast lies in the middle part and the Malabar coast lies in the southern part of the western coastal plain. The middle part of the western coastal plain, that is Konkan coast, starts from Gulf of Khambat and stretches up to Goa. It is very rocky and uneven. To warn the ships and fishing boats, many lighthouses have been built along the coast of Mumbai. India's biggest port is located on the Konkan coast. The Konkan coast is rich in oil deposits. The southern part of the western coastal plain is called the Malabar coast. It lies between Goa and Kanyakumari. Small and shallow saltwater lakes are the beauty of this area. We call them lagoons or backwaters. These lagoons are connected to each other by canals. Kochi is the most important seaport of the Malabar coast. Eastern coastal plains begins from West Bengal in the north and stretches up to Kanyakumari. It passes through the coastal areas of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. The eastern coastal plain is wider than the western coastal plains. Coromandel coast and northern Sarkar, these are the two parts of the eastern coastal plain. Northern part of the eastern coastal plain is called the northern Sarkars and the southern part is called the Coromandel coast. Rivers like Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari and Mahanadi form their deltas along the eastern coastal plains. These deltas are very fertile and are called the rice bowls of India. Kolkata, Chennai, Pradeep, Vishakhapatnam are the important seaports on the eastern coastal